Hello! Kumusta kayo again? Kini. Kikita kayong Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Kasaya yun eh. Kaingit ko kay kayo. Pasensya na kayo eh, kumiratang. I did plan on datang but it did not materialize. Hopefully, datang yung panahon, akit ta kayong pasibayo. Other than that, I am very proud kay kayuan, kay kayong pamiyabe-yabe, magbayo, at saka matigik, very tight. And for that, I am very proud. Eko sana magbayo. Sana paborin din kay tamong mestra, balamong second parents, tala naman din. And then I know as we get older, we get closer. And although na ala ko ken o era ko akakin in person, I never forget about you. Agaganakada kayo naman. And then if you need anything, feel free to reach out. And you know where to find me. Other than that, sana kayong bayong banwa masaya, masagana, at saka yung paborinin kayong katawan. Stay strong, stay healthy, and from my heart to your heart. Namaste. I love you all. Eko sana magbayo. And then, mag-enjoy kayo. Life is too short. At saka kayo mimingat. Thank you. Bye!